In the year 1957, an event that shook the world took place. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, into space. This marked the birth of space exploration, a new frontier for humanity. It was a realm so alien, so different from our own, that even the most basic of human needs, like eating, had to be reimagined. And thus began the fascinating journey of space food. In the initial years of space travel, the food was far from appetizing. The first meals consumed in space by Yuri Gagarin, the first man to orbit Earth, were served in toothpaste-like tubes. Imagine having to squeeze your meal out of a tube, not exactly a five-star dining experience, right? These meals consisted of pureed meat or chocolate sauce and were far from satisfying. But in the harsh, weightless environment of space, it was the best they could do. As we moved into the 60s, space food took a turn for the better. Astronauts aboard Gemini missions were introduced to freeze-dried foods. This method of food preservation involves removing the moisture content from food, making it lightweight and easy to transport. Astronauts would rehydrate these meals with a water gun before eating them. It was a step up from eating out of a tube, but still, a home-cooked meal it was not. The 70s saw a significant leap in the quality of space food. Skylab, the USA's first space station, had a proper dining room where astronauts could enjoy meals together. The food was still freeze-dried, but it now came in vacuum-sealed plastic bags. The variety of food also expanded, with over 72 items on the menu, including shrimp cocktail and butterscotch pudding. The evolution of space food didn't stop there. With the launch of the space shuttle in the 80s, the food system was further improved. The shuttle had a galley where astronauts could prepare hot meals. The food was still primarily freeze-dried, but there were also thermostabilized, dehydrated, and even fresh items on the menu. Today, astronauts aboard the International Space Station enjoy an even wider variety of food. There are over 200 items on the menu, including international dishes to cater to the diverse crew. The food is prepared on Earth and sent to the station via cargo spacecraft. It's a far cry from the toothpaste-like tubes of the early space missions. So why does the evolution of space food matter? Well, it's not just about keeping astronauts fed. The quality of food in space has a direct impact on the well-being of astronauts. Good food can boost morale, reduce stress, and provide a sense of normalcy in an otherwise abnormal environment. It's also crucial for maintaining the physical health of astronauts, as they need a balanced diet to combat the effects of living in a weightless environment. In conclusion, the evolution of space food is a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. From squeeze tubes to hot meals, we've come a long way in our quest to conquer the final frontier. It's a fascinating tale of how we've adapted one of our most basic needs to the harsh realities of space. And who knows what the future holds? Perhaps one day we'll be growing our own food in space, but for now we can marvel at how far we've come.